Welcome to Dave Eats. Welcome to the worst food review channel on YouTube. Today Dave and Lou are in Windsor, Ontario. Today Dave and Lou are trying Chinese barbecue. Something they have never before tried. Sun Chong is located at 309 Wyandotte Street West in Windsor, Ontario. Let's join Dave and Lou on Wyandotte Street on location.
Not much. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Want to see the oven?
Absolutely.
Come on in.
You want to go in there and send that? I'll come in.
It's a little warm, so
I'm very passionate about
Good morning. Good morning.
This is Aunt Fawn.
Good morning.
Very hot.
This is Uncle Tony.
Hi, morning.
that's
Merry Christmas.
in there. Right, so you got all the ducks, you got the pig. Once you cook the pig and set it, you can put 4 more around there. So you can put 5, 6, you can hang them down here. Right? So you got the chicken, you got the ducks, you got the pig. That's a 90 pounder.
Right.
Those are about 3 pounds, 4 pound ducks.
This is Jimmy G.
God, you don't need a furnace in here, do you?
There is no furnace. This is the furnace.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
This one already cooked.
These ones are done, yes.
Yeah, this already cooked this way. The back is already cooked. And the whole steak.
Very nice. Very nice. How long have you been doing this?
Huh?
How long have you been cooking these here?
Around 2 hours.
2 hours, yep.
Yeah, 2 hours.
And how many years have you been doing it?
43, almost 44.
44 years.
Oh, yes.
Amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Very nice. What year you guys open?
Long time. 80, 90, 80, 70, 80, 80 something. What did Roy? Last year? 81.
81.
1981.
All right, so what's the must-have? What do I gotta buy when I'm here? What do I gotta eat?
So, what do you like?
I like pork. I
Okay.
like chicken. I don't know if I've had duck very much.
Okay. How about a taster box?
Welcome back, Dave Eats. So we're at the Sun Chong barbecue on Wyandotte.
Yes, in Windsor.
Not Oulette.
Yes, not
Like
Oulette.
I said with the last place the whole time, right?
Yes, he did.
This is traditional Chinese barbecue.
Yes.
Pork, barbecue pork,
Duck.
chicken. They've got it all, right?
Whole pigs. Yes.
The prices were pretty damn good too, weren't they? Prices, amazing, really. You pay by the pound. We went just with meat.
Yes.
So should we open one of these up?
Oh yeah. Ooh.
So that one's got the barbecue pork. Get that up there? Yeah. And some duck, right? And that one?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Barbecued pork with crispy skin.
And this one is the soy sauce chicken leg, right?
Yes.
That was amazing. But this was 24 bucks, right?
Wow.
Pretty damn good price, right?
That's amazing.
Absolutely. Which one do you want to try first?
Well, let's try it. Let's try this one. Let's dig in.
Okay. Give it moist, eh?
Incredibly moist.
Oh, I can eat that all day.
Oh yeah.
That's
It's
delicious.
so moist.
It is. It really is. It's moist. It's got the barbecue flavor to it. The soy sauce adds a little bit to it, doesn't it? That's absolutely delicious. All right, so I'm so excited about the cracklings on this onion.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, it's good, eh?
Oh.
Oh, really good. Now, I think we got some pictures of the oven in the back. They do whole pig barbecue here, like it's whole hog.
Yes.
Duck, chicken, they got a huge amount of room there.
And little tiny pigs.
This is good, isn't it?
Oh, this is incredible.
Yeah.
Salty, a little salt to it. Oh, that's good.
Tender, delicious.
Cái món rồi của Phúc cái
So looking forward
Đây
to
tôi sẽ
this.
đi cùng
The duck doesn't.
Yeah, we don't want the duck to fall out.
Today,
Let's try the pork.
Dưới lưỡi tay chứ hửa này Cậu cũng lưỡi tay để vào lưỡi tay Đấy
It's a little sweet. No,
Not
yeah.
yet, I just put a mouthful.
Cậu cũng lưỡi tay để vào lưỡi tay
Duck good, right?
That's so good.
Try the duck. Let's try the
Alright,
duck.
let's try the duck.
We've tried it all with the duck now. I'm not a huge duck fan, but I'm gonna try it.
Cái quả trứng chuẩn mà Cô giặt tôm chuyên về cái trái này phán quả Ngày sân tan phán này xin đến
Now, the duck's super cold. There's no way of keeping this warm here, right? Without trying it out.
Còn mà chuyên phán này có mở
That's quite good.
I might like that better than chicken. That's delicious.
Yeah. That's quite good.
Not crazy fatty, and that's what usually the problem is. It's got that greasy fat. This doesn't have it, does it?
Yeah, okay.
Well, that is so nice.
It's great.
Good, eh?
It's
Very,
really delicious.
oh, yeah.
You come here a lot?
Oh, for sure. That,
Oh yeah.
40 years.
40 years. Awesome. Well, I think that's it.
Yeah.
If you're looking for great Chinese barbecue, Sun Chong is your place. I want to know. I think.
Yes.
This place is great. If you've been here, let us know. If you haven't, comment anyways. Hit the like button.
Share.
Subscribe.
And
Look first next time.
yes.
I'm Dave,
And I'm Lucinda.
and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.